easy does it. Little did we know about the past.
Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna do my second part of the Fatip Piccolo Gold Edition review. So, last time I used the open comb and it was a little bit aggressive. It was actually, although it felt good, but I had a few nicks. And I did both passes with the open comb. And I can tell you now, right away, maybe that's not the most smartest way to do it if you got an open comb and a closed comb as well on the same razor. Because I looked at another reviewer on the internet, the Greek shaver, and he was using the open comb on the first pass, and the closed comb on the second, and that sounded smart. I'm going to use my 7 o'clock, same blade as I used before, for the second time now, and I am mounting the closed comb now. And as I said before, I love the finish of this razor. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. I want to cut my fingers, so I have to be careful now. Feels really good. So nice. I love it. This will be exciting to try the closed comb. And I am going to use the same stuff that I used before, my Semogue 830, and we'll have some Taylor lemon and lime shave cream as well. So let's start. Yeah, I'm gonna have some water on my face just. Well, as I said before, the Greek shaver, he was smart. And maybe it was a little too foolish of me to use the open comb twice, but that's me. I'm trying. I am exploring. And I'm doing it for fun. And I'm doing it because I like it. This shave cream is lovely. You see the lather? Lots of lather. Goes well with this brush. Although, as I said before, my Semogue, well, the bristles kind of getting wide. I don't know why that is. Maybe the bristle brushes do that after a couple of times when you used it. Okay, here we go. There's definitely a difference between the closed comb and the open comb. I got it to day growth, and I'm actually home from work because I'm still having a cold. And you have to be careful these days, you know, because of the COVID-19. And I actually did a test yesterday, and I got the answer this morning, and I have not had COVID-19. And I think it's a pity. I would like to have it, because I'm a little bit afraid. This was a heavy cold. I don't know how to say it, but how will it be if I get the COVID-19, the coronavirus? I'm a little bit scared actually. And as I said before, on my work, you work at the fritidshem, with 80 children. You meet as many parents as well. I'm very exposed. Feels good so far, this shave. And the yellow Gillette is a good blade. I usually use one blade at least 4 times. I like the shave cream as well. Taylor Wall Bond. Was it that? Taylor, yeah, of Old Bond. Lemon and lime. What's this? Ah. Well, how about music then? I hope all of you have listened to my music project called Tistel. We released an album in February this year, Volume 2, and we are very proud of that album, me and Thomas Johansson. We had some very exciting and skilled guest musicians on it as well. Okay, got Nick there. First pass went quickly and felt smooth. I'm very fortunate because during the years I've had been able to write songs to my old band Abramis Brahma, and they're not playing anything right now because of the virus. I think it's very sad, but it's all still in the musical front. So poor guys, I hope they will start playing soon or writing songs or whatever. Sorry, it disappeared. I'm gonna get some more water on and do my second pass. Here you go. Should I mount a little bit more cream? I think so, just a little bit more. There was a reviewer, he said, if you start here on the chin, in the middle of the chin, and then you lathering sideways, then the amount of lather will be equal. I always start on one side, I don't know why. Maybe he's right. Maybe that's a smart thing. Sun is shining. It's starting to get a little bit cold outside. And when I'm going back to work, I hope next week, I don't think I will drive my motorcycle to work. It's a little bit cold in the mornings, actually. Okay, here we go, the second pass. I had one nick under my nose. Against the grain. I think it feels good, and as I said before, big difference between the open comb and the closed comb. But I don't think you're surprised. I think you know that. I cut myself again. around my mouth. I don't know about this razor. Maybe it is a little bit aggressive as well, the closed comb. I don't know. It feels very smooth, and I must say the open comb felt very smooth as well. But still I got some nicks. Yesterday, not yesterday, 2 days ago, I used my old swing razor, my Swedish vintage razor, and you see the comb there, and I didn't get any nicks at all. So I do think, and of course there is differences between every razor. I actually think I'm gonna do a third pass. I don't usually do that, but I have to. I think I have to. Let's get the lather out of the brush. I have to be careful with the angle, I think. I can feel that. So I have to get used to this razor, which I'm not yet. Sometimes when you buy things, you just want to like it, even though you experience that maybe it wasn't the best buy or anything, but you just feel, oh, I would love to love that one. And that is the case with this razor, I can tell you right away. I'm going to use it, of course, but I had great expectations. I thought it would be smoother, even the closed comb. But I will do as the Greek shaver, check him up on the internet, YouTube. Use the open comb first, and then on the second pass, this closed comb. Okay, maybe I'm just overdoing it now, because it actually feels quite good. And I can go on some parts forever. You have to learn, know your own skin. Maybe I haven't yet. It's a big difference, and it's very important that you know your own skin compared to when you're shaving with a cartridge eraser, because then you just pressed. You can't press with these set erasers. I'm gonna stop here, and it was a good shave, I think. It was a good shave, and the closed comb, of course, is milder, and I got 2-3 nicks, but overall, a good shave. So I'm gonna rinse now. So, friends, this was my part 2 of the Fatip Piccolo Gold Edition. Piccolo. Got the open comb and the closed comb. Well, try it for yourself. I think it's not the best razor, not even the closed comb, although I love it. Look at the handle. So I'm going to use it, of course, and I'm going to try the open comb even more, but only on the first pass, I think. And how are we doing now? Oh, that's good. And I'm not going to work today. I'm actually gonna go to bed again. I don't have any fever or something like that, but I need to rest. So I don't gonna use any aftershave balm with another toilet or something, but I'm gonna use the old Swedish Hega Uppsala edition because I'm not going to a party or something, and I like this one. I've used it before, I've shown you, and there's a green edition as well, the original, but I think the blue one smells better, much better. And as I said before, it's very cheap. You get it for €6, €5, and very lubricating. It smells a little old-fashioned, but not too old-fashioned. Actually, when I got to work one morning, I met a girl. I work with small children, and she was, I think we were 6 or 7 years old. And then she told me, "You smell like Grandpa." I do? Yes, she said. And I thought, was that a bad sign or a good sign? So I asked her again, do you think that's good, or don't you like that smell? I think it smells very good, she said. So here you go, here I got an old one, but a good one. Thank you very much for being with me. This part 1, and this was the part 2. It was a good shave. See you next time. Goodbye.
That's the way that things should be. No need for us to think about awakening. I'm looking in the mirror, searching for the colors of my youth. Here comes awakening, my turning torso. I feel my turning torso. Oh, my turning torso. I feel my turning torso.